Okay, file. We're going to paint Pinocchio. File, open. Go to your downloads folder. Click Pinocchio. Open. Now Pinocchio opens up here. First thing we must do, the bottom of the layers palette. We're going to click this button here to add a new layer. That puts an area above the picture that we will paint on. So we will be painting on this top layer. Very important. Magnifying glass. Plus sign. We can zoom in, and we're going to start with painting the top of his hair right there. The hand tool helps you move the picture around. Brush. Remember the bracket keys. Right bracket bigger, left bracket smaller. Color. Let's choose a hair color. We'll give him a yellow hair. All right, and we'll paint. Now, in these areas where it's very small, we need a small brush. So, left bracket. And paint in here with the very small brush. Get all of these areas. Then right bracket, bigger brush to fill it in. Now, here is why we paint on this layer. If I make a big mistake, ooh, bad, I can use the eraser tool right here, eraser tool, and just erase it away. Okay, so again, if I go back in time just to show you that, see, this is all on this new layer here. So I'm really just erasing what's on that layer. I'll just show that again. Back to the brush. Okay, so take your time. Brackets, smaller. Brush. And then bigger brush, left, right bracket for a bigger brush. Hand tool. Let's paint his shirt. The blue work shirt. Click OK. Brush. Okay, paint the whole picture.